Good afternoon, children. Now we are going to study Unit 3 Things We May Can Do, Chapter number 16 Safety Rules. Let's start. Look at the box first. In each group, circle the things that can harm us. You have to circle the things which are harmful for us. Let's move to our chapter. Staying away from danger is called safety. There are many ways in which we can get harmed if we are not careful. There are many things which can harm us if we are not careful. It is important to live safely and follow safety rules. It is important to be safe and follow safety rules. We should follow safety rules at home, at school, and on the road. At home, we should not play with things like scissors, knife, blade, switches and wires, medicines, matchsticks, as these things are very dangerous and it can harm us. We should not touch the following things with wet hands: an iron, an oven, a geyser, a toaster. These are electric items, so we should not touch it with wet hands as it can give us electrical shocks. We should always put away our toys after playing with them. At school, we should not push each other on the stairs or while boarding the school bus. We should not hit each other on the stairs. We should always walk in a queue. We should always walk in a line. Queue means line. We should not push each other on a swing or a slide. We should always wait for our turn. We should never stand in front of a swing, always stand at the back. We should always throw waste in a dustbin. We must throw garbage or any waste material in a dustbin. Safety rules on the road. We need to be very safe on the road. Never try and walk alone on the road. Always take an adult with you. Always walk on the road with the elder ones, and never alone. We should not play or run on the road. We should never keep our hands or other body parts outside the window while traveling in a moving car or a bus. While traveling in a bus or a car, we should never take out hands or other body parts outside the window. We should always cross the road with an adult. We must cross the road with the elder ones or adult. It is important to follow safety rules if we want to stay safe and away from harm. We must follow safety rules to be safe and away from harm. First aid. Despite following safety rules, we may get hurt at times. After following all the safety rules, we might get hurt sometimes. It is very important to help when someone gets hurt. It is our duty to help anyone if he or she gets hurt. The immediate help given to an injured person is known as first aid. The help given at a time to an injured person is known as first aid. Two important rules that should always be followed are: never crowd around a person who is hurt. We must not rush around the person who is hurt. Call an elder or a doctor immediately. We must call the doctor or elders immediately. It is important to know how to give first aid to people whenever required. Let us learn some common first aid rules. In case of cuts and wounds, clean the wound with clean water first. Then Use an antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon and call an adult. The wound should be cleaned with water first and then use antiseptic lotion. In case of burns, putting ice cubes and cold water helps. You can even put an antiseptic ointment after that. If we get burn, then we must use ice cubes and cold water, and after using that we can put antiseptic ointment. In case of a fall, we can put ice cubes on the bruised area till the help arrives. It is important to keep a first aid box ready at school as well as at home. It is very important to keep the first aid box in the school as well as home. If a person needs to be taken to a hospital, then with the help of an elder person, dial 102 and call an ambulance. If it is necessary to take the injured person to hospital, then we must dial 102 and call an ambulance. Look at this picture. It is the picture of first aid box. A first aid box contains antiseptic ointment, bandage, cotton, scissors, band-aid, antiseptic lotion and crab bandage. It is very important to keep all these things or first aid box at homes as well as at schools.